Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of Applied Biosystems by Thermo Fisher Scientific. The product name is AgPath-ID, one-step RT-PCR kit, quantity 100 reactions. The reference number of this product is AM1005. Here we can see the brand name Applied Biosystems by Thermo Fisher Scientific. Product name AgPath-ID, one-step RT-PCR kit. Reference number AM1005. Quantity of 100 reactions. Using this kit we do 100 reactions. The temperature of this kit is minus 25 degrees Celsius to minus 15 degrees Celsius. Here we can see the expiry date and also the manufacturing address. Product of USA. The manufacturing address is Austin. Here we can see the product of USA. Also, this is the overall front view of this product. On the top view, we can see a plain side view. Also a back view. This is a closed air sealed product. So we can see the sealed. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Applied Biosystems by Thermo Fisher Scientific AgPath-ID, one-step RT-PCR kit. Reference number of this kit is AM1005. We can do 100 reactions using this kit. This is the overall view. Thank you.